SRM School of Film Technology, Ramapuram offers 3 years degree program in film technology. I am proud to be an alumni. கும்பகோணம் ஸ்பெஷல் பாரம்பரிய பொருட்களை வாங்க theelitefactory.com இல் ஆர்டர் செய்வோம்.
நான் வரேன். நல்லது காமிச்சா எல்லாத்துக்கும் நல்லது, கெட்டதை காமிச்சா சிறப்பான செய்க காத்துக்கிட்டு இருக்கு. பிக் பாஸ் வித் ஃபேட்மேன். வாட்ச் மீ ஆன் பிஹைண்ட் இட்ஸ் டிவி.
வணக்கம் தமிழ்நாடு, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? சாப்பிட்டியா?
சாப்பிட்டேன். நீங்க சாப்பிட்டீங்களா?
ஜஸ்ட் சாப்பிட்டேன். जिस प्रकार इंद्र प्रस्थ की सभा में इसने हमें शस्त्रहीन किया था,
இன்று நம்முடைய ராஜசபைதனில்
उसी प्रकार इसी सभा में हम उसे वस्त्रहीन करेंगे.
அவளின் வஸ்திரம் பறிக்கப்பட வேண்டும்.
I love Tamil Nadu because my first project is a Payya film with Karthi. Shakuni Mama is a very intelligent actor and a very good man. With me, Karna and Shakuni, Dushasan, we all are very good teaming on set.
நான் சொன்னபடி யார்?
Mahabharat team called me for the role of this Duryodhan. First they offered me and I refused the offer.
துள்ளி குதிக்கும் புள்ளிமான்.
Duryodhan, all quality I love. One quality I don't like, Draupadi Chirharan. I don't like. In Mahabharat, I lived the Duryodhan character. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि दुर्योधन को मैंने जिया है. First time in Indian television, people are loving negative character.
முதலையின் வாயினை மிகவும் நெருங்கிவிட்டது.
Don't think he's a negative. Think he's a positive. Because he have all emotions with brother, with Karna, with Shakuni Mama. After 20 years, my brother come. He told me कि this is my kingdom, so I will refuse. You know. So everyone like this only. Pandav are God, but I am human or God. Now 15-20 years kids not know हिंदुस्तान का सबसे बड़ा ग्रंथ कौन सा है? You know, भारत का महाभारत. They all love the Lord of Rings, Game of Thrones.
Behind Woods Personals with Tharala இன்னைக்கு என் கூட அர்பித் ரங்கா இருக்காரு. இவரை வந்து நம்ம எல்லாருக்கும் துரியோதனாவா ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நல்லா தெரியும். ஸோ அவர் கூட தான் இன்னைக்கு பேச போறோம். ஹாய் அண்ட் வெல்கம் டு மை ஷோ.
வணக்கம் தமிழ்நாடு, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும். Thank you so much. आप कैसे हो?
मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ. நல்லா இருக்க, ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்க.
So did I manage to ask properly?
we will interview in Tamil, English and Hindi mix masala.
Okay.
all rounder.
Super.
இறை நெருங்கிவிட்டது.
As I said earlier, we just loved your performance in Mahabharat. Though it was a negative character, but then your performance was so good and we just enjoyed. And other than that, we have seen you in another Tamil film also, Boologam.
Yeah.
So there also we loved it.
I love Tamil Nadu because I started my acting work in Tamil Nadu, Chennai. My first project is a Payya film with Karthi. This is my first project or for Tamil Nadu. Lucky for me. That's why I am. My journey is so long and so good journey. After Payya, I did 3-4 movies, Tamil, Telugu, and Mahabharat, Radha Krishna. So you know, start like good start for me.
உடைமைகள் பறிக்கப்பட்டால் போதாது மாமா.
And one more thing, Tamil Nadu, Chennai is my second hometown because my family, my sister, my uncle. Lots of my cousins stay in Chennai.
So which is your favorite place in Chennai?
Favorite place? ECR Road, right? ECR Road.
Yeah, ECR Road.
ECR Road is a very, Pondicherry Road, ECR, same road, I think.
Yeah, we have lots to talk about Mahabharat itself because your character was one of the most powerful characters. So like, how did you get into Mahabharat?
Already I told I started my work from Payya. So after that I started one more movie, INR. Then Mahabharat team called me for the role of this Duryodhan. First they offered me and I refused the offer because I was busy in South movies. Then I met our director and producer, Mr. Siddharth Tiwari sir. So they told me, this is the best role in your life, lifetime role. I don't have any. So I choose this offer. main thing is they told me this is Mahabharat 30 years before came one Mahabharat, and this is after. You know now kids 15-20 years kids not know Hindustan का सबसे बड़ा ग्रंथ कौन सा है. You know भारत का महाभारत. They all love outdoor international series, the Lord of Rings, Game of Thrones. They love their sap. Now, Siddharth Yosa told me 15-20 years generation kids, they know our culture. That's why I like the show concept and everything. And I didn't refuse.
துள்ளி குதிக்கும் புள்ளிமான்.
How was your preparation? Because physically you are very fit and we know how muscular you are. But mentally, how was it to get into Duryodhan's character?
Before I was in Mr. India, Mr. India, I was best body Mr. India. You know, in Mahabharat, for King Luke is a very use. So I gained weight 15 kg I gained for this character, and this is very difficult. But normal movie, normal show, and Mahabharat is very difficult. You know, Mukut, vagera, Mukut and all throne, everything is so very difficult. But in 2-3 days, we all are used to these things, but we enjoy.
What is the one quality you like about Duryodhan and one quality you don't like about Duryodhan?
Duryodhan, all quality I love, you know.
Oh.
And one quality I don't like, Draupadi Chirharan. I don't like. I think Duryodhan, he's a very straightforward. ये चाहिए तो ये चाहिए. मतलब उसका वो कुछ नहीं है कि यार कंफ्यूजन वाला नहीं है. जो उसको मालूम है कि दिस इज माय थ्रोन, तो उसको ये थ्रोन चाहिए तो थ्रोन चाहिए. और वो अपने भाइयों से प्यार करता था, अपनी पत्नी से प्यार करता था. He loves wife, he loves son, and friend Karna. You know, in Mahabharat, I lived the Duryodhan character. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि दुर्योधन को मैंने जिया है. First time, you know, first time in Indian television, yeah, anything. People are loving negative character.
முதலையின் வாயினை மிகவும் நெருங்கிவிட்டது.
Especially in South, people love my character and my maximum fan following from Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Hyderabad, मतलब Kerala. I heard one of temple is my temple in Kerala also, Duryodhan temple. So first time I met Siddharth Yosa sir, I asked him how do I play this character. He told me, don't think he's a negative, think he's a positive. That's why I get all confusion clear and I acted like a positive character because he have all emotions with brother, with Karna, with father, with mother, with brother, with Shakuni Mama. You know, after Pandav, bhale main hu, you know, after 20 years, my brother come and he told me ki this is my kingdom, so I will refuse. You know, so everyone like this only. No one can. Okay, you are my brother, so come and get the throne. So no one can. Is a human quality. Pandav are God, but I am woman. Pandav are God. That's why I'm negative.
Tell us your relationship with Shakuni Mama.
Shakuni is a very intelligent actor and very good man. You know, with me, we have lots of scenes together. लेकिन हमारी tuning is very very good. If co-actor with tuning is not good, you can't deliver good scene. Me, Karna, and Shakuni, Dushasan, we all are very good tuning on set.
இவ்விடம் வராமல் இருக்க இயலாது.
That's why coming good scenes and emotions, all emotions. We really thought he's my mama, and I really thought Angraj is my friend and Dushasan is my brother. So that's why all emotions come very good. And we really thought Pandav is my enemy.
மருமகனே உருட்டும் பகடை.
There were many scenes which was emotionally draining. You have to like put yourself into the scene. You will have many mental thoughts regarding the scene. So can you just tell one scene which was like connecting to your heart and you cannot get out of the scene?
2-3 scenes which are very close to my heart. First scene is with Karna. When I met Karna, where Karna is coming and everyone tells me this Sudputra, then I will, he is my friend and I will give Angdesh. Matlab, one of my best scene, one of my favorite scene. And Second scene is when Draupadi told me "Andhe ka putra andha." In this scene, I got very emotional, very hurt, and I want to do Agni Snan, suicide. So yeah. So
After coming from Indraprasth.
yeah. Indraprasth. Yes. This scene was very, मतलब वो जो scene था उसके लिए बहुत hurt और one of those in third scene when Karna was dead. Just know that he's a Pandav brother. So I was very upset, and so three scenes I love most with emotions. My English is very bad, so please manage.
We can completely understand. You are very good.
நல்லா இருக்கு
ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு.
சாப்பிட்டியா
சாப்பிட்டேன். நீங்க சாப்பிட்டீங்களா?
just சாப்பிட்டேன்.
என்ன சாப்பிட்டீங்க?
Now I am in dieting. கொஞ்சம் சாப்பிட்டேன் because I have next project. So in this project I want 6 packs. So now with or I'm pure veg.
Yeah, Am Sharma told me, I guess.
Acha, I'm told you. He's a very good friend of mine. Mahabharat in Karna, Duryodhan, and now I'm Arpit and Aham. Friendship is continue.
But off screen, how it used to be with Pandavas?
Off screen, we are very good friends. Seriously, Pandavas and Bhim, Yudhishthir, Shahir, Arjun, and Nakul Sehdev. Our life is like hostel life. We all sit together. Lunch together, dinner together, breakfast together, tea together. So all things we do together. But on set, we are like enemies. On set, when a camera starts, we are enemies. But off camera, we are good friends.
ஆண்டவர் ஐவரும் தமது கர்வத்தை
What was your feeling when you had to like end the series and from tomorrow you are not going to shoot, and how was the last day?
Last scene is my death scene. जब दुर्योधन का last scene था, तो that day I got very emotional. 1.5 year I did Mahabharat, and from tomorrow we know not shooting, and team, my full team, Mahabharat team, Swastik team. तो got very emotional, but काम तो आगे भी करना है फ्यूचर. तो but my lifetime experience, very good experience for Mahabharat, and in this series I love work with everyone, and audience gave love, मतलब हमें बहुत प्यार दिया audience ने, तो वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है हमें.
How did you manage to get out of the character? Because for 1.5 years you were like living the character, the thoughts, the activities, everything was based on. Yeah.
We are actor. Every actor has the different idea, different thing. We are in character, so how can I get out from this character? So my thing is, my thought, if camera start, I am Duryodhan, and camera cut, I am Arpit. So I am not like यार अब कैसे निकलूंगा इस कैरेक्टर से, तो वो ऐसा नहीं हूँ मैं रियल में ही ऐसा ही हूँ मैं. आई एम रियल दुर्योधन. तो कैरेक्टर से निकलता ही नहीं हूँ मैं. तो दुर्योधन इज नॉट बैड गाय. दुर्योधन इज अ गुड गाय. वो मतलब वो अच्छा, मतलब वो जो ठीक है, वो सबके साथ में कुछ प्रॉब्लम होती है, तो इज वन थिंग इज डिड बैड द्रौपदी चीरहरण, बाकी वो ठीक था.
நம்முடைய கரங்களால்.
And one best compliment for you during the shoot by your co-stars.
तो बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट ये था कि मुझे लोग बोलते थे कि अरे दुर्योधन इतना अच्छा है तो द्रौपदी को उससे शादी कर लेनी चाहिए. दुर्योधन इतना अच्छा है तो क्यों दुर्योधन, मतलब ऐसे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिलते थे, और मुझे अच्छा लगता था. ऑल पीपल आर लव आवर character. Every day, everyone, people from Instagram message, social media, lots of people message me, we love your character, sir. And especially from South, people love my character so much.
ஐவருக்கு உடையவளையும் நாம்.
I दिल से मैं उन सबको बहुत बहुत रंबो थैंक यू. क्या बोलते हैं थैंक यू को? रंबो नंद्री. My heart from South people, बहुत प्यार दिया मुझे सर. प्यार मुझे वर्ल्ड वाइड सब जगह से मिला. ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड पीपल लव माय कैरेक्टर, बट फ्रॉम साउथ पीपल लव माय कैरेक्टर.
தோல்வியை சந்திக்க வருகின்றனர்.
whose performance you love the most?
Everyone did very good job. Every character is very important in Mahabharata. But personally, my favorite is Krishna. Krishna and
Saurabh's performance.
yeah. No. Performance-wise, all is very good. But like character, Krishna character is a very good character. From throughout beginning to end Mahabharat, Krishna character is जो सीख मिलती है उससे, जो वो knowledge and anything. So I love the Krishna character. And Krishna and my relationship, राधा कृष्ण में भी कृष्ण मेरे साथ में थे. राधा कृष्ण माय लास्ट शो, उसमें भी कृष्ण भी, मैं उसमें कंस था तो वो कृष्ण थे. इधर मैं दुर्योधन हूँ तो वो कृष्ण है. तो कृष्ण के साथ मेरा नाता जुड़ा हुआ है.
And if given a chance, you are like allowed to choose one character other than Duryodhan to play, which character you would have chose?
ऐसे तो मुश्किल है, क्योंकि मुझे अगर मुझे चांस भी मिलता तो मैं इसी करेक्टर को चुनता, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि इससे बढ़िया करेक्टर, और दिस इज अ वेरी गुड करेक्टर फॉर मी. दुर्योधन करेक्टर फॉर मी इज अ वेरी गुड करेक्टर. Every time I will choose in my future Duryodhan character. If I got any film in Mahabharata, so I will got chance to do play, so I will character same character I will.
We would love to hear one dialogue of yours.
Okay. अच्छा, डायलॉग मेरा जो चीर हरण का डायलॉग था, उसमें जब मैं बोलता हूँ कि जब सब बोलते हैं कि यार इसको छोड़ दो, द्रौपदी छोड़, तो मैं बोलता हूँ, जिस प्रकार इंद्रप्रस्थ की सभा में इसने हमें शस्त्रहीन किया था, उसी प्रकार इसी सभा में हम उसे वस्त्रहीन करेंगे. डायलॉग्स काफी हैं.
So we just love you from the bottom of our heart. Thank you so much for being part of my show.
Same here. Rambo. Thanks to all Tamil people. They love my character, Mahabharata series. Definitely, I will come Chennai soon. Very soon, I will come Chennai. We'll do live session in your office. Definitely.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Arpit. Thank you so much.
चलिए. Thank you. चलिए. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க. இதே மாதிரி இன்னும் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் பண்றோம். உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், ஃபேமிலி கூட இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. என்ன தோணுதோ அதை கமெண்ட் செக்ஷன்ல கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. 52 லட்சம் பேர் எங்க ஃபேமிலியை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ நீங்களும் கண்டிப்பா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.
உயிர் இருக்கா? ஐயோ, அது உயிரோட இன்னுமே இருக்குங்க. சபிக்க போது என்ன? சத்தியமா எனக்கு தெரியாது. என்ன மன்னிச்சிரு.
SRM School of Film Technology, Ramapuram offers 3 years degree program in film technology. I am proud to be an alumni. கும்பகோணம் ஸ்பெஷல் பாரம்பரிய பொருட்களை வாங்க the elitefactory.com இல் ஆர்டர் செய்வோம்.